Well, howdy there, neighbor. Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Well, last two times we were here, I bleached my hair. Went from pea orange to the blonde that, everybody saw for a week or so. And now I'm at a gray. Let's see. That did nothing. But, look at us now. Okay. This time around, I kind of wanted to change things up and do a cooking time with Joe. But I needed some emotional support. Pasta! So we're gonna cook some gourmet pasta, some jar sauce, some jar red marinara sauce. We always need a little bit more courage. So, first what you want to do is get yourself a pot. This pot better be big enough to fit some pasta. But you also just want a pot, decent size. I don't know, you just need that. Then you need to, how am I gonna do this? Why do I always, okay. You need to turn on your faucet. Well, it did it for me. And then you fill up your pot. So on my pasta pot, there's like those two little buttons. I usually fill it up to about the bottom button, and then I call it a day. You turn on, we could do this, okay. You turn on your oven, stovetop. Burn, baby, burn, 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 burn. Ignore those dishes, burn, baby, burn, 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 wow, wow. Next, we're gonna take some more liquid courage. Okay, and we're gonna add a little bit of salt. If you don't salt your water, that's fine, but you're kind of weird. Today's beer of choice is 8 Days a Week by Southern Tier Brewery. It's delicious. So now, we watch the water boil. It's warm. Ow, tasty. Oh, hello. We also talk about the amount of pasta that I've eaten since quarantine has happened. I have probably eaten nearly 15 pounds, and I'm being light on that. So I'm going to say 15 at 20 pounds of pasta. I've had, just got a carb load to do nothing, I love pasta. My heavens! And now that we've waited, we crack open another beverage. This time we're drinking Southern Tier 2X IPA. Delicious. I don't know. It's probably, sorry, do you see the shade? I'll probably say about this much, I just want to make sure you guys get a good look at this. Do you see it? Okay. I just want to make sure that it's there. Okay. Oh, so instead of putting them in as whole, like so, because it's a lot for your fork to scoop up whenever you're ready to eat, you just want to... I gotta do this over to the bowl. You do it... Stop it! Okay. Man, do I have a great learning lesson for you. Make sure that you are constantly stirring and mixing, or else you're gonna get them to be all clump-like this. That is no good. No good. No good. Where's... Okay. Protective gear. I ran into this problem last time. You wanna pick up your pot, which I'm surprised I was able to pick that up. All right. Oh yeah, get in the strainer. Whew. Time for a montage. So as I'm editing this video, I found out at the very end I didn't show me eating it. But let me tell you, it was delicious, and I enjoyed it, and I ate about 1.5 pounds that day. I love pasta, and pasta loves me, and it also loves you. Oh, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this and want more content. I'm gonna hopefully have something more exciting, but I needed to share my love for pasta to you all. So yeah, thanks for watching.